Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to get a grid in Procreate. First, open your Procreate app and select any canvas. Look for the wrench icon, which is your Actions menu, located in the top left corner of your screen. Tap on it and then choose Canvas from the options that appear. Within the Canvas menu, you will see a toggle labeled Drawing Guide. Simply tap this toggle to turn it on, and a basic grid will instantly appear on your artwork. Now that your drawing guide is active, let's customize it. Tap Edit Drawing Guide to open the Settings panel. Here, you'll find several options to tailor the grid to your needs. Use the Grid Size slider to adjust the spacing between grid lines from a very fine mesh to a wide layout. You can also tap the color square to select a new color for your grid lines, ensuring they stand out against your artwork. Procreate offers more than just a basic grid. Within the Edit Drawing Guide panel, you can select different guide types like two-dimensional grid, isometric, perspective, or symmetry. For precise drawing, make sure to enable Drawing Assist for your current layer. This feature automatically snaps your strokes to the guide, making it much easier to create straight lines and perfectly aligned shapes, saving you valuable time and effort. Beyond the basics, you can fine-tune your grid's appearance. Use the opacity slider to make the grid lines more transparent or more prominent, depending on your preference. You can also adjust the thickness of the lines, choosing between a delicate thin line or a more noticeable bold one. When you're finished using the grid, simply go back to the Actions menu, select Canvas, and toggle off Drawing Guide to remove it from your canvas.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.